Welcome to the world of Arduino. In this video, we will introduce you to the basic of Arduino and get you started on your journey into the exciting kingdom of electronics and programming. Arduino is an open source electronics platform that designed to be easy to use, make it perfect for beginners and experts. Whether you are a hobbyist, a student, or a professional, Arduino offers endless possibilities and creating interactive projects. With Arduino, you can build a wide range of projects, from simple blinking LED light, complex robot and IoT device. The only limit is your imagination. Now let's take a closer look at the main component of an Arduino board. Here we have the microcontroller, which is the brain of Arduino. It's mainly responsible for executing your code and controlling your project. Arduino boards come with various shape and size. The most popular board is the Arduino Uno R3, which is great for beginners. And this is the Arduino Nano. The Arduino Uno features digital input-output pins, analog input pins, power pins, and a USB connection for programming and power supply. In the next video, we will show you how to set up the Arduino IDE and write your first Arduino code. Stay tuned and get ready for it.